Have you ever wondered why roses represent love, yet are covered with sharp prickles? They appear in Valentine's Day, weddings, confessions, romantic stories, and beautiful bouquets. But if you reach for a rose carelessly, it can hurt you. That contrast is exactly what makes roses so interesting. A rose is not only soft, and it is not only dangerous. It combines delicate petals, vivid color, strong fragrance, and sharp protection on the same plant. From the human point of view, roses became symbols of love through a long history of culture. Mythology, poetry, religion, flower language, and gift traditions slowly gave roses emotional meaning. In Western culture, red roses are often connected with love, beauty, passion, and desire. They are also linked with goddesses of love and beauty, such as Aphrodite and Venus. The color red itself easily reminds people of the heart, blood, warmth, and strong emotion. That is why a single red rose can feel more powerful than many ordinary flowers. Later, in the language of flowers, different rose colors gained different meanings. Red roses became linked with romantic love and deep affection. White roses became connected with purity, innocence, remembrance, or new beginnings. Pink roses often suggested admiration, gentleness, sweetness, or gratitude. So roses did not become love symbols by accident. Humans looked at their color, fragrance, shape, and beauty, then placed emotion onto them. Their petals open layer by layer, almost like feelings slowly being revealed. Their fragrance stays in memory, like a moment you do not want to forget. Even the shape of a blooming rose feels intimate, as if the flower is slowly opening its heart. That is why roses feel romantic to us. But from the plant's point of view, roses do not exist for romance. They are living plants that need to survive, grow, flower, and reproduce. Their beauty is not only decoration for humans. In nature, bright petals and fragrance can attract insects and support pollination. So while humans see romance, the plant is also using beauty as part of its survival strategy. This makes roses more fascinating, because their beauty has two meanings at once. To us, the rose can say "I love you." To nature, the rose says "come closer, carry pollen, and help life continue." Now let's look at the sharp side of the rose. People often call the sharp points on roses thorns. But botanically, many roses actually have prickles. A true thorn is usually a modified stem or branch, connected more deeply to the plant's inner tissues. Rose prickles are more like sharp outgrowths from the outer surface of the stem. That is why they can sometimes be scraped off more easily than true thorns. But no matter what we call them, their purpose is clear: protection. Rose leaves, young shoots, and flower buds can be eaten by animals. Since plants cannot run away, they need other ways to defend themselves. Animals can escape danger, but a rose cannot pull up its roots and leave. So it protects itself with different tools, including chemicals, bitter tastes, tough surfaces, and prickles. Prickles make careless mouths, hands, and skin pay attention. They can stop some animals from biting too easily, and they remind humans to handle the flower gently. Prickles may also help some roses climb or grip nearby plants, fences, or supports. In that sense, prickles are not a flaw. They are part of how the rose survives. This makes the symbolism of the rose even deeper. A rose is not only sweetness. It is sweetness with boundaries. It is not only softness. It is softness standing beside defense. That is why roses feel so close to real love. Real love is not always simple, easy, or completely safe. It needs closeness, but it also needs respect. It needs openness, but it also needs protection. So when we say roses represent love, we are not saying love has no sharp edges. We are saying that something beautiful can still have boundaries. The next time you see a rose, do not only look at the petals. Look at the stem too. The flower is the romance humans see, and the prickles are the plant protecting itself. Together, they explain why roses are so powerful, tender, beautiful, careful, and not defenseless. That is the real charm of roses. They remind us that love can be gentle without being weak, and beautiful without being completely unprotected.